Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make an image watermark in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select here Watermark option. Select Add Watermark. Now select here File option and select Browse option and select your watermark. I'll put this one as watermark. Select Open and see this watermark now, and you can change in watermark opacity and this is rotation. Also you can multi-line watermark dealing and make it scale relative. You can increase this watermark ratio and see this. You can appear behind the page. See this. Now finally select OK and see this. All of this watermark now appear behind the pages. See this. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.